This is our lecture 47. In this lecture, we will see the use of the simple future tense. To discuss about these simple future tense, we will see that the simple present tense is used to show the regular actions. The regular actions means the actions which happen frequently in our life. And these actions happen in future, means will happen in future. That is the sense there. Means if in our life some actions will be happening in future, and these actions will be regular actions, means those actions will be the actions happening frequently or always happening. If those things are, then in this sense we use the simple future tense. For example, we will see here, I shall go to the college tomorrow. I shall go to the college tomorrow. It means that I shall go to the college tomorrow means this subject will go to the college tomorrow, means always he will go to the college. So this activity of this subject is regular, frequent and always happening activity. And that's why the subject says here that I shall go to the college tomorrow. The second sentence is there, they will work in the company in next week. They will work in the company in next week. In this sentence, the subject is they, and means some persons are there, and these some persons will work in the company in next week. Means they will work in the company in the next week, but this action of the persons also will be the regular action. Means this action will be a frequent action, or this action will be the action happening always. And that's why here we can say that the simple future tense is used to show the regular action or the frequently happening action or the always happening action. Then the next is that to show the simple future tense, we use the structure of going to. Going to, it means that the structure is be plus going plus to. It means M is R plus go plus ing plus to is called the going to structure. The going to structure, and this going to structure is used to show the simple future tense. And definite means we will say there are some things happen definitely, or some things happen not definitely, or do not happen definitely. Such things are spoken or written with the help of this going to. And going to is used exactly like the simple future tense. So we will see now some examples, and with the help of the examples we will see this going to structure. The first example is, I am going to do my homework. I am going to do my homework means here the structure is I am going to do my homework, means the structure is that there is the subject I, then am going to, then main verb do, and then my homework, that is the object. This is the structure. But in this structure, am going to means shall. So the subject says I am going to do my homework means I shall do my homework. That will be the structure. And that's why this going to is used instead of the simple future tense. The second example is here. We are going to plant a tree. We are going to plant a tree. It means that we will plant a tree, or we shall plant a tree. Means here again I will tell you that going to is used instead of the simple future tense. The third example is there. She is going to invite her. She is going to invite her means in the sense of the simple future tense, this sentence will be she will invite her. She will invite her. It means she is going to invite her. So here in these three sentences we have seen that going to is used instead of the simple future tense. It means that the simple future tense is spoken and written with the help of the going to. And so we can say that am going to means shall, are going to means will, and is going to means will. So this will happen. Then next is that the simple future tense is used to speak or write the action which is not still happened. Which is not still happened. It means that the action is unfixed action. Unfixed action means what? That action is not fixed, or that action is not happened or taken place. It means that action is uncertain action. Such uncertain action is written and spoken in the simple future tense. It means that this action will happen or this action will not happen. Means there is no guarantee of this action, that the action will happen or not happen. So the rule is that the simple future tense is used to write and speak the actions in the future which are fixed and unfixed. Means some actions are fixed and some actions are unfixed. For example, I shall see my sick uncle tomorrow. I shall see my sick uncle tomorrow. It means that this I subject or this man or this woman will see sick uncle tomorrow. It means that this subject will go or will not go. Means there is no guarantee of this subject. So the subject says that I shall see. I shall see means what? He will go to see his uncle or not. There is no guarantee. So that's why he says that I shall see my sick uncle tomorrow. Means this action, this activity is not a certain activity. Means this activity is uncertain. So we can say that to speak and write the uncertain actions, the simple future tense is used. Next, we will see to explain the conditional sentences. If there is the condition in our life, always there can be the condition or there may be the condition, because life is always full of conditions, and that's why we see always before us many conditions. So to explain all conditions, we should use the simple future tense. It means that the simple future tense is used to show the conditional actions. For example, if you come, I shall help you. if you come means there is the condition that if you come means that person should come. That is the condition. Means if that person comes, then he will help him. Means there is the condition. So if there is the condition, then there is the use of the simple future tense. And the condition is always shown with the conjunction if, unless, if not. These conjunctions always show the simple future tense. And so the sentence is, if you come, I shall help you. If you do not come, I shall not help you. So this is the condition. We will see again one example. If you drink milk, you will be strong. If you do not drink milk, you will not be strong. So there is the condition. What is the condition? The condition is of drinking milk. If that person drinks milk, he will be strong. If he does not drink milk, he will not be strong. That is the condition. So the simple future tense is used to show the conditional sentences. The simple future tense is shown with the adverbs. With the adverbs, for example, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, next day, next week, next month, next year, future years. Means this simple future tense is used to say or to talk or to write our future things. And these future things or these future plannings are shown with the help of tomorrow, because tomorrow means the next day, day after tomorrow, again the next day, then the next day, then the next week, then the next month, then the next year, then the future years, in future years. So all these phrases or adverbs tell us that this is the future, this is the future tense, and so these adverbs or these phrases are used with the simple future tense. So here we have finished our today's topic, and I hope that you will not go outside because the corona is there outside. So be safe in houses. Thank you very much.